Hello friends, I am Pratima. I welcome you all to my channel. I thank all the subscribers. So today's question is from a regional maths Olympiad. It is based on trigonometry. Find the smallest integer solution to the equation tan 19x degree equals to cos 96 degree minus sin 96 degree over cos 96 degree plus sin 96 degree. So it is seems to be an easy question. Oh, so let's proceed. Uh, this I'll apply some trigonometry formula on the right hand side to make into a acute angle. Directly we can apply, but let me convert this into acute angle by applying the formula cos 90 plus theta equals to negative sin theta and sin 90 plus theta equals to cos theta. So applying this concept, I can write cos 96 degree equals to negative sin 6 degree and sin 96 degree equals to cos 6 degree. So writing your RHS, it is your cos 96 degree minus sin 96 degree for cos 96 degree plus sin 96 degree equals to your minus sin 6 degree minus cos 6 degree, here minus sin 6 degree plus cos 6 degree. So in the numerator I'll take a common negative and I'll write cos 6 degree plus sin 6 degree or cos 6 degree minus sin 6 degree. So next I'll divide throughout with cos 6 degree. In each term it will be 1, it will be tan. So this will be 1 plus sine over cos is tan 6 degree by 1 minus tan 6 degree dividing with cos 6 degree throughout. Next we will apply one formula, that is your 1 plus tan theta over 1 minus tan theta equals to tan pi by 4 plus theta. So here it will be 1 plus tan 6 degree by 1 minus tan 6 degree equals to tan 45 plus 6 degree. That will be tan 51 degree. So now writing the equation again, given equation. So equation in the question, tan 19x degree equals to, it has been converted to negative tan 45 plus 6 degree, that will be 51 degree. Again when applied, then negative theta is same as minus tan theta, so this will be tan minus 51 degree. And I need to make it positive, or I'll add a 1 pi to it, because pi is the period of your tan function, or I can write 180 minus 51, that will be 129. So equals to tan 129 degree. Either you add 180 to this, or you convert 180 plus minus theta is equal to 180 times. So finally we are getting a simple expression, that is tan 19x degree equals to tan 129 degree. Again, solution for the trigonometric equation in tan will apply if tan alpha is equals to tan beta, then alpha equals to n pi plus beta when n is an integer. So applying this, I can write 19x equals to n pi plus 129. Now I am not putting in degree because I will get the value of x, and instead of pi I will write it is 180 degree. So this is equal to 180 n plus your 129. We need to find value of n as well as x. Unless you get n, you cannot get x, and n x should be minimum value, so that x is divisible by your 180n plus 129. That means when this is divided by 19, it should be an integer because n is an integer and x should be an integer value. X is an integer, n is also an integer. So now you will apply your modular arithmetic or arithmetic modular. That means the whole to get to have x as an integer, RHS is an integer. That means 180 n plus 129 over 19 is an integer. What does it mean? It means that 180 n plus 129 should be divisible by 19 or congruent to 0 modulo 19. If it is divided by 19, the remainder should be 0. So we have to think of n. Now to get in a short way, what I'll do, first I'm taking this 129. 129 when it is divided by 19, 129 divided by 19, I'm getting your 19, 6 times 114, 15 is the remainder. So this congruent to 15 modulo 19. What I'm doing, I am just expressing this in a lowest term. So this leaves the remainder 15. Now 180n is congruent to, now next I'll test for 180. When 180 is divided by 19, I'm getting 19, 9 times 171, 9 is remainder. So this will be 9n modulo 90. That means it will leave remainder 9n. That means now 15 plus 9n, remainder from both the cases, should be divisible by 19. So this should be congruent to 0 modulo 19. So now I think it is easy to get the value of n. N equals to, starting from n is equal to 1, 2, 3, so on. You will find that at when n is equal to 11, I am getting 19 plus 154, which is your 114. That is your congruent to 0 modulo 19, because 19 for 6 times 114. So n is equal to 11. Now coming to x. X equals to your 180n plus 129 divided by 19. So n is equal to 11. So 180 into 11 plus 129 divided by 9. 180 into 11 will be 1980 plus 129 over 19. That will be equals to 2109 divided by 19. The value is very big value, of course, 111. So the value of x is 111 the solution of your the equation x is equal to 111. Thank you for watching.